Welcome back to Supreme Auto Elite. How to control speed in an automatic car. Chapter 1. Introduction to speed control in automatic cars. Speed control is one of the most important skills every driver must master, especially when driving an automatic car. Unlike manual cars, automatic vehicles do not require the driver to manually change gears using a clutch and gear lever. This simplicity often leads new drivers to assume that speed control is automatic as well. However, this is a misunderstanding. In reality, controlling speed in an automatic car depends heavily on the driver's understanding of throttle control, braking techniques, transmission modes, road conditions, and driving habits. Poor speed control can result in unsafe driving, increased fuel consumption, excessive wear on vehicle components, and a higher risk of accidents. Automatic cars are designed to make driving easier, smoother, and less physically demanding. But ease of operation does not eliminate responsibility. The driver remains fully responsible for maintaining a safe and appropriate speed at all times. This script explores speed control in automatic cars in a step-by-step, chapter-wise manner. Each chapter focuses on a specific aspect, from basic pedal usage to advanced techniques like engine braking and cruise control. By the end of this script, the reader will have a complete understanding of how to safely and effectively control speed in an automatic vehicle under various driving conditions. Chapter 2. Understanding automatic transmission basics. To control speed effectively, one must first understand how an automatic transmission works. An automatic transmission changes gears automatically based on vehicle speed, engine load, and throttle input. This process is managed by a combination of sensors, hydraulic systems, and electronic control units. Unlike manual cars, automatic vehicles do not use a clutch pedal. Instead, torque converters or dual clutch systems manage power transfer from the engine to the wheels. This allows the vehicle to move smoothly without manual gear shifting. Common gear positions in an automatic car include P. Park locks the transmission. R. Reverse moves the car backward. N. Neutral disconnects engine from wheels. D. Drive normal forward driving. L or 1/2 low gear for slow speeds or hills. S. Sport higher RPM for better performance. The transmission automatically selects the appropriate gear, but the driver influences this process through accelerator input and driving mode selection. Pressing the accelerator harder causes the transmission to shift to lower gears for more power, increasing speed rapidly. Understanding this relationship between throttle input and gear shifting is essential for proper speed control. Chapter 3. Role of the accelerator pedal. The accelerator pedal is the primary tool for controlling speed in an automatic car. It regulates how much fuel and air enter the engine, directly affecting engine power and vehicle speed. Unlike manual cars where gear choice limits speed, automatic cars respond instantly to accelerator pressure. Even slight pedal movement can cause noticeable acceleration. Proper accelerator control involves applying gentle pressure instead of sudden pushes, maintaining steady foot positioning, avoiding unnecessary acceleration, using gradual input during traffic or turns. New drivers often press the accelerator too aggressively, leading to jerky movement and poor speed control. Smooth acceleration allows the transmission to shift efficiently and keeps the car stable. At high speeds, maintaining a constant accelerator position helps hold speed without frequent braking. On highways, small adjustments are usually sufficient. Good accelerator discipline improves fuel efficiency, passenger comfort, and overall safety. Chapter 4. Importance of braking for speed control. Braking is equally important as acceleration in controlling speed. In automatic cars, brakes are often overused because drivers rely on them instead of planning speed changes in advance. The brake pedal slows or stops the vehicle by applying friction to the wheels. Effective speed control involves progressive braking, not sudden hard stops. Key braking techniques include light braking for small speed adjustments, progressive braking when approaching signals, threshold braking during emergencies, avoiding riding the brakes. Automatic cars can creep forward when brakes are released, so controlled braking is essential in traffic jams and parking areas. Good drivers anticipate road conditions and slow down early instead of braking at the last moment. This not only improves safety but also reduces wear on brake pads and tires. Chapter 5. Using gear selector for speed control. Although automatic cars shift gears automatically, the gear selector still plays an important role in speed control, especially in challenging driving conditions. Low gears L1 or 2 are useful for driving on steep hills, descending slopes, towing heavy loads, driving at very low speeds. Using lower gears limits maximum speed and increases engine braking. This reduces dependence on brakes and prevents overheating. Sport Mode S allows the engine to operate at higher RPMs, giving faster acceleration and better control at high speeds. However, it consumes more fuel. Eco Mode limits throttle response and optimizes gear shifts for fuel efficiency, making speed control smoother and more relaxed. Selecting the correct gear mode according to road conditions is essential for maintaining safe speed. Chapter 6. Engine braking in automatic cars. Engine braking occurs when the engine slows down the vehicle without using the brake pedal. In automatic cars, engine braking is achieved by selecting lower gears or reducing accelerator input. When descending hills, relying only on brakes can cause brake fade. Using engine braking helps maintain controlled speed while reducing brake wear. Methods of engine braking include shifting from D to L or 2, using paddle shifters if available, releasing the accelerator early. Modern automatic transmissions provide some engine braking automatically, but manual selection increases effectiveness. Engine braking is a critical skill for safe speed control on slopes and mountainous roads. Chapter 7. Speed control in city traffic. City driving requires constant speed adjustments due to traffic signals, pedestrians, and congestion. Automatic cars are well suited for urban driving, but poor speed control can still cause problems. Effective city speed control involves maintaining low, steady speeds, using light accelerator input, keeping safe following distance, frequent use of gentle braking. Stop-and-go traffic requires patience and smooth pedal control. Sudden acceleration wastes fuel and increases accident risk. Understanding traffic flow and adjusting speed proactively makes city driving safer and less stressful. Chapter 8. Speed control on highways. Highway driving demands consistent speed control over long distances. Automatic cars perform efficiently at highway speeds when driven correctly. Key highway speed control techniques include smooth acceleration to cruising speed, maintaining steady throttle position, avoiding unnecessary lane changes, using cruise control when appropriate. Sudden acceleration or braking at high speed can destabilize the vehicle. Gentle corrections are safer and more efficient. Maintaining proper speed also improves fuel economy and reduces driver fatigue. Chapter 9. Cruise control and adaptive systems. Many modern automatic cars are equipped with cruise control systems that help maintain a constant speed without continuous accelerator input. Basic cruise control maintains a fixed speed, reduces fatigue on long drives, improves fuel efficiency. Adaptive cruise control adjusts speed based on traffic, maintains safe following distance, uses sensors and radar systems. While cruise control is helpful, it should not be used in heavy traffic, wet roads, or hilly areas. Drivers must remain attentive and ready to take control at any time. Chapter 10. Speed control in rain and slippery conditions. Wet and slippery roads significantly affect speed control. Automatic cars can lose traction if speed is not adjusted properly. Important precautions include reducing speed early, avoiding sudden acceleration, gentle braking, using traction control systems. Hydroplaning can occur at high speeds on wet roads. Maintaining moderate speed and smooth control prevents loss of control. Modern stability systems assist drivers, but they cannot overcome reckless speed. Chapter 11. Common speed control mistakes. Many drivers make common mistakes when driving automatic cars, including over-accelerating, excessive braking, ignoring gear modes, using cruise control improperly. These habits reduce safety and vehicle efficiency. Awareness and practice help eliminate these errors. Chapter 12. Psychological aspect of speed control. Speed control is not just mechanical, it is also psychological. Impatience, aggression, and overconfidence lead to poor speed decisions. Calm, focused driving improves speed management. Defensive driving techniques encourage smoother control and safer behavior. Chapter 13. Teaching speed control to new drivers. Automatic cars are often recommended for beginners, but proper training is still essential. New drivers should Practice gentle pedal control. Learn braking distances. Understand gear modes. Drive under supervision initially. Gradual learning builds confidence and control. Chapter 14. Speed control for fuel efficiency. Efficient speed control reduces fuel consumption. Sudden acceleration and high speeds waste fuel. Best practices include maintaining steady speed, using eco mode, anticipating traffic, avoiding unnecessary braking. Fuel-efficient driving also reduces emissions. Chapter 15. Conclusion. Speed control in an automatic car is a combination of knowledge, skill, and discipline. While the transmission handles gear changes, the driver controls speed through accelerator input, braking, gear selection, and awareness of road conditions. Mastering speed control leads to safer driving, better fuel efficiency, reduced vehicle wear, and increased confidence behind the wheel. Automatic cars are easy to drive, but responsible speed control is what truly makes a driver skilled.